So hey friends, this weekend I wanted to meet up with my friend Leanna. She has an idea for my air conditioner vent, so we're going to attempt that and see what happens. So we decided to meet at a campground. I've never been here before. I'm always amazed that I keep finding campgrounds I've never been to before within an hour of my house. So I am at Lake Louisville, and this is Hickory Creek Campground. It's a Corps of Engineers park, and like I said, I've never been here before, so let's go check it out.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Since I've never been here before, I told her I really did not know what campsite I wanted. I told her I want shade and away from people. So she said she was going to pick one for me. Let's see how she did. She put me in campsite number 67. So far, it looks like pretty much every other Corps of Engineers campground I've ever seen. Fairly shady. This could work. It is 94 degrees out, so I definitely want that electricity. So this isn't exactly the campsite I would probably pick for myself if I had my choice. But she did kind of listen to me. I told her I wanted away from other people, and there's nobody else camped in any of like the 10 sites all around me. There's one guy across the street, but I don't think he'll come out of his house, so I think it'll work. She put me right across from the bathroom. She's like, well, I thought you'd appreciate that in your van. They always do that, and usually I don't like being near the bathrooms because there's lights on all night. I know, I'm finicky and I'm needy, but sorry. I know what I like, and I like what I know. But this will do for our little project this weekend. This will do just fine. Let me show you around a little bit. There's my handy dandy bathroom. And then, yeah, if there was people there, that would be really bad. But there's a campsite there. And there's another one up there. And another one right beside it. Boat dock down there. Then on this side, there's, campsite right there, another one right there, one across the street, one right there, one right there, one right there. So they're pretty stacked up on top of each other. But again, if nobody's here, then this site works great. Nice little covered picnic table and everything. Or yep, lots of shade too. So this will work. Definitely will work for a night. Another reason I wanted to take the van out this weekend is I wanted to test the work that John's done. See if that little thing's really going to work to keep my batteries charged while I drive. So let me see what my volts are up to. Looks like it charged me almost to 13. John has it set to stop at 13.2. So that's pretty awesome. Good job. I'm a happy camper. So yeah, man, this place is a mess. I have really got to get organized. But I can't put the filing cabinets and the shelving in until we get the walls done, which is our next step. That's happening starting tomorrow. I've got to get busy on some drapes and some blackout curtains. Yep, so far I'm extremely happy with this van build. I am just thrilled. John is amazing. I can never thank him enough for all he is doing for me. This is going to be perfect when it's done. Perfect for me anyway. So, yay. Happy. Alright, I'm going to go sit in the shade and wait for Leanna. Alright, so Leanna is here. Let's see what she has in mind. So what is it that we have here?
This is, well, I work for a grant company, and this is what we use for hard templates. It is like
Oh.
a hard plastic corrugated,
Uh-huh.
and it'll be perfect for our application that we plan on doing.
Cool. Alright, well let me grab the template and let's see if it'll work.
Yeah. Right, this is already cut, so I'm thinking we're going to do a two-part for your window. This part will go into the smaller area, and then you'll have the larger part to slide into this smaller part, so that will be easier to take in and out for you.
Uh-huh. I see you have given this some thought.
I've given this some thought.
All
It's
right.
going to be beautiful. It's going to
Okay.
be marvelous.
I believe you.
It's going to be the best thing ever.
Alright, so this is the template we've got to work with.
That's perfect.
This
I've got
is
plenty
the-
of extras.
The woman with the tools.
Okay, brought this just in case.
Okay.
We're going to use white duct tape to
Okay.
tape around the edge. Okay. We're going to do Bondo tape. I'll show you that in a minute. We're going to use a ribbon gun and rivets. And any self-respecting girl has a hot glue gun. We're going to use that. And scissors. And straight edge. And drill stuff for the hole. Okay.
Well, look at her being all like professional.
And
AC tape.
yes.
Perfect.
All right. And then this is a gift for you.
Aw, cool.
Now, you need to see your input of what you got this, or we have this.
Very nifty.
Okay.
All right.
This will
I'm-
be attached to
following ya.
this permanently.
okay.
Okay. And then this will be coming out, so it'll be easy to take it apart.
Okay.
Okay.
I got you.
So we don't have to make this decision. We'll play around with it
Okay.
once we get to that point.
Awesome.
All right. Okay. You got a marker by chance? If not, I probably have one.
I always carry a Sharpie. Do you know why?
I'd like to know.
You never know when you'll run into a rock star. True story. Let me get that. All right, this is what she's got going on so far. I think her idea might just work. She's just gonna cut the little vent hole right there. Nifty neato. Girl has skills.
I do have a rivet gun, but I was hoping I'd have a big where I could stick that more in. Let me see your doodah thing.
I don't think it really needs rivets. I think it's
Okay.
strong enough.
I think we can always. There you go.
I love it.
Okay.
That's pretty awesome.
Up.
Yeah, up.
All right. You too can do this at home.
Uh-huh.
You don't have to be professional. You just have to have an imagination. There.
Coolio.
So the best way to do it will be from the outside then,
Okay.
I'm guessing. Okay,
Yeah.
so that way you can get it where it'll go right
Uh-huh.
in there.
I love it, Leanna.
Right.
So creative.
And then I got this guy here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll have that little tab going there.
Yeah, I don't know if that'll make it too hard to get it in if that tab's there.
No, let's see. That's my way to do the tab.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's even necessary.
I love it. I think it's pretty sturdy. All right, this is pretty sweet. I do believe it's gonna work. Once I get a curtain in here in between, then that will block the heat off from that hose. Because I'm also gonna get an insulated hose, I think, when I get a chance. But yeah, this will work. Awesome. I think this little setup will allow me to be lost on land once again, even in July. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Yeah, where's that? There you go. Perfect. The little crack.
Oh, come on, gotta be like this.
Do you need me to hold it or?
Yeah, I need to come over here. Get the dirt. Where's the hole?
Word the hoe.
Say something about that. You know.
Very nifty.
Sorry, bud.
Sweet.